Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can create a navigation bar with the help of Flexbox. So I've used a simple Flexbox to design the simple navigation bar. As you can see on there, behind have a background and it is not responsive, but you can use media query to make a responsive. So I'm going to show you how you can create that. So I go to my code editor and I'm going to remove this one code from there, and also I use this one code. So save. You can't see anything else on the page, right? So I'm going to decrease the size of the browser and also my code editor, then you will able to see everything clear on there, right? So the first thing we need to design I have an image. I'm going to show you. I have one image like this one, so we're going to use this one image inside our project. So I call header tag, and inside the header I'm going to assign the ID and the showcase. I use header, right? You can write any name as you want. Then I'm going to call nav. Inside the nav I'm going to assign the class Navbar. Inside the Navbar I'm going to create a container. I want to make a content will appear inside the center, so I'm going to use class container that will help us to display the content inside the center. And then I'm going to call h1 and I'm going to use my logo name, my site name. And then inside the container I'm going to call ul tag, li tag and anchor tag. Write the text home, and the next one I'm going to use services. Third one I'm going to add that portfolio, and then I'm going to use about team, then contact. So first I'm going to set that, and here's the output of the content. So let's work on the CSS. So the first thing, I reset all the things because I want to use my own styling on there. So the first thing I'm going to use box sizing will be border box, and margin will be 0 pixel, padding also 0 pixel. First I'm going to set that. Right. Then I also add the font family on there. Font family will be Roberto. So I already included the Google fonts inside my CSS, and I'm going to use sans serif. Then I call container that I help us to use. I'm going to use max width 1100 pixel. If you decrease the size, you can do that. And I'm going to use margin top and bottom will be. I just use margin auto. Right, then inside the container I call display flex. First I'm going to save that, right? And I use justify content will be space between, because I want to make a space inside my logo and our content. Right, then I call the showcase ID, not showcase ID, header ID. In the header ID I'm going to get the background color, and I'm going to use URL, and this will be background. I'm going to use no repeat, and no repeat center color. So say that the background has been appeared inside the top of the section, but we need to use height, right? That help us to display the height 100 VH, right? Then the next thing I'm going to add on there will be logo. So I'm going to use font size will be 2 RAM, and color will be C40F. This is a light yellow color, light doesn't appear on the logo because we need to assign the class the logo inside. So let's have that, right? And then the next thing we need to do, we need to also, I'm going to use font weight on the font weight will be 800. Perfect. Then I'm going to call navbar. So the navbar, I'm going to use the background color, I'm going to use RGBA and 0 0 0. This is a color black, but I will assign the opacity on there 0.5. So as you can see, then I'm going to use color will be white. And what is next? I also use padding outside 1 rem. Right, then the next thing we need to target the UL tag, navbar UL tag. Inside there I'm going to use display flex, right, make everything in the same line. And I also use align item will be center, right, and I'm going to remove the bullets. Let's try none. So perfect. Then I call navbar UL li tag. Inside the li tag I'm going to call not li, I target the anchor link. So I call color will be white and padding outside will be 1 rem. First I'm going to say that, right. And also I'm going to use text decoration will be none. So I'm going to use border radius. Okay, I will use that. So here is a menus, everything in the center, because I've used container class to display everything inside the center, right? Then the next thing, you have a hover effect. I'm going to use, first I'm going to target the transition on there. If you want to use transition, transition 0.5s, not, I'm going to use all. And when I hover the mouse on there, then I'm going to use the background will be dark yellow. So F1C for the F, and color will be not color, I'm gonna use everything is default. I use border 2 pixel, border radius 2 pixel, and inside there I'm going to use transition 0.5s. That's it. So let's see. As you can see, right, last thing I'm going to add on the active class. So inside the home I'm going to call active, and you need to go on there and use comma, right, and copy all of the things. After the a class, I mean anchor link, you need to target the anchor class, I mean active class. That's it, right, as you can see. So those are menus. You can use the simple flex property inside the CSS to create a menus. So hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.